Do you know that getting out of debt is one of the hardest thing to do in a person's life? Alam niyo bakit? Kasi para tayong nahulog sa loob ng balon. Di ba? Mabilis mahulog eh. Pero ang hirap talaga lumabas. So, I just want to share with you some of the practical tips for people who are really struggling with their debt. I made an acrostic on the word called debt. Let's start with the letter D. D stands for the word called design. Kailangan magdesisyon po kayo na kailangan ayaw nyo talagang pumasok na utang. The only way that you can get out of debt is stop incurring new debts. May mga iba ganitong ginagawa. Nangungutang dito, pambayad ng utang dito, pagkatapos iikot na naman, mangutang sa ibang tao, pambabayad sa ibang tao. It's a never-ending cycle. Again, make a decision. Let's go to letter E. E stands for what? Empty your savings account and liquidate some of your assets. Again, it's no use for you to put some money in the bank account just to have a sense of security na may pera ka pa. Pero kinikita ng banko mo is less than 2% a year while you're paying off 30 to 40% per year towards people you owe money to. It doesn't make any sense. So you got into debt by probably overspending. Right now, benta nyo muna yung mga gamit nyo sa bahay, yung mga flat TV screen nyo, yung mga cellphone na magaganda nyo, benta nyo muna. Pay off your debts first and wait for the right time. And then ito yung key. Listen to me carefully and look at my next tip. On letter B is what? Be faithful in paying your debts, even in small amounts. Maybe some of you right now, you got into debt is because somebody in your family got sick and nagbayad ka ng 50,000 at nangutang ka. Yung kinikita mo sa sweldo mo is 10,000 naman. Definitely imposible na kukunin mo yung 10,000 pababayad mo sa 50,000. So, anong gagawin mo? What I do suggest is, at your 10,000 pesos, magkano kaya mo i-allocate on a monthly basis para mabayaran mo yung 50,000? If what you can allocate is only 2,000 pesos a month, kunin mo yung 2,000, pumunta ka sa taong pinagkakautangan mo, kumato ka sa bahay nila, iabot mo yun. Pay it little by little. Why do I say that? In getting out of debt, it's not in the amount that you want to pay that is more important. It's in your willingness to pay. Yun po yung mahalaga. And finally, letter T, totally reverse the process. We got into debt by overspending. Right now, it's time for us to get out of debt by underspending. At meron pa tayo isang kasabihan, kung maiksi po ang kumot, matuto tayong mamalugtot. If you do that, friends, I want to congratulate you. You are already on your first step to get out of debt.